Avila, and my major is psychology. I gonna talk about money and happiness, a deep and invisible relationship. Three authors who write about the relationship between money and happiness are here. Just I gonna mention. Well, there's a lot, but I just gonna mention these three bibliographies. One of them is Agnin, Dan, Krolux, Gluck, and Norton. And this year, actually, they found that the level of happiness when people spend money on others is more notable than when they spending money on themselves. Burroughs and Greenfield. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to pronounce the pronunciation of this last name. They created a theory called the values conflict theory. This theory said that family values and religious values are in kind of conflict with money. And other one, these three, I can imagine that for the last names are Oriental people or from China, Japan, or a place over there, and they found like the happiness, it can be divided into three types, but the more important that they found is that when people spend money, when they are like a consumers, is the happiness is absolute. My hypothesis is as money increases, happiness decreases. This means that as much money do you have, as much money you have, your happiness will decrease. The relationship of my hypothesis is negative because one variable increases and the other decreases. And here we can see that the independent variable is money and the dependent variable is happiness. I made a survey on 9 of my peers and I interviewed one person. The survey asked some questions about the relationship between money and happiness. The purpose of this survey is to collect data for my experiment. And the results look like this. 100% of my peers surveyed stated that money makes people happy. But at the same time, they said that money couldn't buy anything in life. So just limits. And the person that I interviewed, he said that the relationship between money and happiness is strong. And he believes that success is equal to money. The most important limitation to my study is the student population because the sample was very small. And this can be cataloged as issues with sample and selection and insufficient for statistical measurement. We need a sample bigger. For my experiment, I will add more students, more people, in order to collect more data to see the significance between the groups that I survey, that I gonna do the survey. And for the future research, obviously I gonna ask for more time to get the approvals from the IRB and to see if I can get more some sponsors, because we have to remember that everything is moving around money. Thank you.